Right, hello there. So let's go through this trade and how this trade worked out. Right? Why this trade and why and how it essentially worked out. So let's look at the forecast for the day. So I had shared on during London session on the 21st that this essentially was what I was looking at. The price was going to sell off from here, after we've had, a major bullish run over the few past days. So we've had a major bullish run coming from CPF last week, coming into the new week, and price still was really just pushing to the upside. So we needed to have some sort of relief. So that was based. So it was based on that went to Spain that we're gonna have that pullback. Now, if you notice here, you'd see that we had here as our last high that was taken out and a new high was created. So we did not have to wait for this low to go. Um, right, because we knew what was going to happen. So immediately we got that change of character, the first one. That was essentially enough for us to anticipate that pullback, right? So you can also see here how the trade actually did end up. So on the 21st, you can see right here. So this was actually the trade setup. So I had entered, I had missed this first one, so I actually would have milked more, maybe like 1 to 15.20 from this trade. So I'd missed the first one, so I had to enter the second one here. But notice during New York session, price actually did pull back. So if, for example, I had moved my stop loss to break even, and that's why I believe in leaving your stop loss in place. It's a stop loss. That means you're saying, if I'm wrong, then this is a loss I want to take. So no need of moving your stop loss, because this is the reason why a lot of times people break even and then the trade goes in your direction. Oh, I wish I just left my stop loss. You should stop wishing and stop acting and doing the right thing. Leave your stop loss in place. If it's a loss, let it be a loss. If it's a win, let it be a win. That's why you took the trade in the first place, right? Even though I know it's easier said than done, because for most people, most novice traders, this is not easily done. But for professional traders who understand what you're doing, and who have been in the game for a long time, it's a loss. Take the loss, right? You can get another opportunity. So yeah, don't move your stop loss. So if my stop loss was moved after being tagged in here, you see I would have actually broken even, and I wouldn't have made returns on this trade. So that is, that's a lesson for anyone anyways who is just starting out to take note of. It's a stop loss, leave it. That's why it's a stop loss. There's no need taking it off, or moving your stop loss. Take the loss like a man, as they would say. And yeah, so this was essentially the trade. So that was the whole trade idea. I tried stacking the trade during New York session, but we got taken out, and that was that trade there. So this was essentially the trade that played out all the got that played out. The 1 to 10. We actually got in at around 9:30 during New York session. 9:30, of course, my own time. UTC plus one. During New York session. During London session, we got triggered in. During New York session, price pullback, and then we got that continuation to the downside. So that was essentially the trade using the simple stock and profit, stock and profit strategy, and it was just straight to the point. So hey, I don't know what you're doing, but if you're not on the stock and profit course, I think you're missing a lot. Take advantage of the 40% across all the plans, and this is ending on 24th. So take advantage of all the promo we have right now, Black Friday 40, and you're good to go. So you can see the monthly plan, whether it's a monthly plan, the 360-degree monthly plan, that's a full mentorship, the quarterly plan or the yearly plan, or as a matter of fact the lifetime plan, 40% off. I don't know what can be better than that. So take advantage of that. You can pay in US dollars, you can pay in other currencies. You have all the other currency options here. You can also subscribe to the analysis service, right? So you just want to see the analysis daily, so you can subscribe to that. Also 40% off on all of that. Examples of chart work you'll be getting, and also the library. If you want to have access to the library alone, you also have all of these options. Say, hey, you're spoiled with choices, right? There's no reason for anyone who really want to learn how to trade not to hop on this offer, massive offer that I'm giving right now at this time. So hey, I wish you all the best, and I look forward to seeing you in the program if you choose to join. So hey, that was it, 1 to 10, and the trade was closed. As a matter of fact, by the way, just to say this, that if you were part of the mentorship and you had this setup and you took advantage of it, you would have covered what you paid for, right? That's the truth. So hey, you're getting a lot, as a matter of fact. So I wish you all the best, and I see you also in the program if you choose to join the mentorship. Hey, see you. Bye bye. Stay stuck in profit, and see you next time. Cheers.